Alrighty guys, it's Kate Stars here, and I want to just tell you I broke my iPod.
20 after 9.
Is it?
You have to have some,
Pardon? I broke it really bad. And, I'm really mad. Let's turn off the lights so you can see better. Yeah, like all around here. See? I broke it. It still works. But this it's all cracked and stuff. And see all those cracks? This part right here is not cracked. At least it's not cracked. I'm getting a new screen replaced, but God, I'm so mad. See the cracks? Yeah. Not letting you know my password. Yep. Just wanted to make you. Just wanted to let you guys know. Bye.